Yeah, so hello everyone. This is Aditya and currently I'm working as a software developer. So like if you are looking for a software IT jobs as a freshers, and also like if you have less than 2 year of experience, then you guys are also eligible to fill this form. And so now the finally is Accenture is hiring for like a software opportunities, guys. Like this is like if you have less than 1 year of experience, then you guys are also eligible. Basically guys, today in this video I just want to explore everything. What is this like selection process, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the hiring process, what is the like required skills. So I explain each and everything, guys. So just you wait and watch this video completely, guys. This is literally a very informative video for you guys, so just wait and watch this video completely. So now I start our video for the today, guys. Just you see here, like I explain each and everything, guys. Just Accenture freshers mass hiring program is designed for the graduates who will build the like career in artificial intelligence, AI, Python development, cloud technology, automation and data engineering. As an AI ML science associate, you will work with the experienced teams to develop applications and automate business process and like REST APIs. And when I talk about the companies, is guys, just you see here like Accenture role is like AI ML science associate, and the employment is like full time, guys. And experience, like if you have less than 2 year of experience, then you guys are also eligible to fill this form. Job location is Bangalore, and qualification is important, guys, like BE, BTech and MCA. Only three these guys are eligible to fill this form, guys. And department is like just you see here like artificial intelligence. It means it is completely based on the AI. Obviously guys, आज के टाइम पे AI का ट्रेंड है, तो AI का ही सीन है यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है इस कंपनी में. So just you see here the most important question, guys, like which year pass out batches are eligible. The official job description does not mention a specific graduation batch like 24, 25, 26. It means यहाँ पे like इनके जो job requirements हैं यहाँ पे उन्होंने मेंशन ही नहीं करा कि 24 वाले एलिजिबल हो, 25, 26 इस ऐसा उन्होंने कुछ मेंशन ही नहीं करा है. तो लाइक गाइस कम लाइक अगर 24 तक आपका अगर डिग्री कंप्लीट हो रहा है तो गाइस आप अप्लाई कर देना, क्योंकि जो MNCs कंपनी होती है वो 2 साल का आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है कि आप मतलब एलिजिबल आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो व्हेन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो, जस्ट यू सी हियर freshers and recent graduates candidate with the like 0 to 2 year of experience, and this is generally meant that the pass out the students who meet with the experience requirements are eligible. Okay, and when it comes to the down, what is the hiring process and all, just you say like first one is like application submission. पहले तो आप application submit करोगे. Second one is like resumes shortlisting on the basis of like your resume, like whatever the technology you mentioned in the like resume, according to this your resume is selected. And the third round is like online assessment, and in the online assessment, guys, like aptitude round, aptitude questions, logical questions, technical questions, basic Python questions, SQL and OOPS concept and programming fundamental. These are the like basic question, guys. ये बहुत सारे easy questions ही आपको वहाँ पे assessment में देखने को मिलते हैं. When it comes to the like fourth round is just like technical interview. Question may be included like Python technology, OOPS, SQL queries like second max salary, inner joins, outer joins and all, and data structure, APIs, AIMLs, basics, project on resume, like whatever the project you mention in the resume you need to explain. So that's it, guys. And like if you have any internship experience, then you can also include, guys. This is like a benefits for you. And when it comes to the like what is the like fifth step is like HR interview, and in the HR interview they are asking like a normal question like tell me about yourself, why Accenture, willing to relocate, salary expectations, notice period and all. These are like basic questions they are asking. That's it, guys. And when it comes to the down, like sixth step is like offer letter. That's it. This is only 6th round is there, guys. And 7th round is like document verification and onboarding. That these are like simple steps, guys. So now I move forward in this video, guys. Here I just want to add one more point. Like if you come here for the first time on these channels, guys, then please help me. And here I make only job hunting and career guidance related video, guys. And like if you have any doubt related to your career, just drop me a comment, guys. Definitely I will help you. I accept, guys. Reply करने में थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लग जाता है, क्योंकि currently I'm working, guys. So मेरे पास भी इतना ज़्यादा टाइम होता नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ट्राई करूँगा, गाइस. डेफिनेटली आप लोग के साथ रीच आउट करूँगा. So now I move forward in this video. This is like our job link. I just you see here AI/ML. On the basis of AI/ML technology they are hiring. I just you see here. And when it comes to the down here, just you see like a full time experience is like 0 to 2 years, like freshers and experienced person, both guys are eligible. And job location is Bangalore. And the job description just you see here guys, like just you see here artificial intelligence. It's a completely like a AI technology based job guys, and it is coming from Accenture company completely. So this is also like a very good opportunity guys. And qualification is, as I already mentioned, BE, BTech and MCA guys are eligible to fill this form. And experience is like 0 to 2 years. And also just you come here and read all the things guys. Just this come literally guys, this is a very good opportunity. Like if you are a fresher, then this is a very good option. Come qualification is like BE, BTech, MCA and all. And about Accenture, so just you come here, additional information, and also just you come and here and read all the things guys. So now I move forward for the second opportunity. Just you see here, second opportunity is also coming from our Deloitte company guys. Just you see here data, AI/ML and AI engineering and Java, Playwright test automation, Bangalore location. This opportunity is coming from Deloitte company guys. This is also like a very good opportunity. Like if you are a fresher, then this is also like a very good opportunities guys. So now I move forward in this video. The next opportunity, I just want to show you one more point guys. Like just you see here गाइज, अगर आप यहाँ पे पहली बार आ रहे हो तो ये सारे जॉब्स को लाइक इन्फोसिस, CGI एंड IBM कैंपस एंड कॉग्निजेंट, जस्ट यू गो एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो गाइज एंड अप्लाई दिस फॉर्म. These hiring are still going on nowadays guys, so just you go and apply this form guys. So for the today guys, I am done. So मिलेंगे एक नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ गाइज. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू गाइज.